Good evening, students. Good evening. Join fast. Just 30 minutes. Short span of time. Foundation course. Join fast. Good evening, students. Good evening. Response, please. Response. Good evening, students. Join fast. తొందరగా జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. After completion of few problems, that is finding inverse Laplace transforms using partial fractions. 2 or 3 important problems we will solve now, interesting problems, and then we proceed to solve inverse Laplace problems based on convolution theorem. Very, very important session. Good evening, Vasu. Very good evening. Right. Let me start with my introduction. Myself, Venkat Krishna. My qualification is MTech Computer Science from IIT Kharagpur. I cracked GATE examination with All India rank 22. I had more than 15 years of teaching experience in GATE. My specialized subjects are design and analysis of algorithms, DA, engineering mathematics, and discrete mathematics. I have been teaching these 3 subjects from last 15 years across the country to all engineering students. Welcome to Unacademy platform. In Unacademy, you can find 2 types of subscriptions. So one is a plus subscription, Unacademy Plus. Another one is Unacademy Iconic. What are the advantages if a student takes in case of plus subscription? You will have 4 features. One feature is live classes, as you know all. Another one is test series. Structure schedule will be there. You can find unlimited practice of questions in the form DPP, daily practicing problems. Every day faculty will post minimum number of questions. So that gives a lot of confidence among students when they practice. Even faculty will provide key also. In case of Iconic, 4 features are there. One is personal coach. Study planner will be there. You will get guidelines from experts of subjects, and you will find many questions and answers of engineering service examinations. Oka coach ni kuda appoint chestaru meeku. Right, let us see. Suppose if you want to take 1 year subscription in case of Unacademy Plus, the actual fee is 25,000, but if you use my referral code GVK10, you will get 10% off. So the final fee will be 22,500. Very reasonable cost. 1 year subscription, 22,500. My dear students, hurry up. Within short span of time, the fee is going to hike in Unacademy. So ASAP, hurry up. As early as possible, take the subscription either in Plus or in Iconic for at least 1 year. In case of Iconic, for 1 year, the subscription cost is 45,000. But if you use my referral code GVK10, you will get 10% off. So the final fee will be 40,500. These are various payment methods to take subscription either in Plus or in Iconic subscription. And this is my referral code, my dear students. Just remember this. Okay. Good evening, Hari Krishna. Very good evening. Right. Before discussing 2 or 3 problems by using partial fractions, let me make some announcements as I discussed in the last class. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we are having special classes in Unacademy on the concept of differential equations. Tomorrow, 3 sessions. And day after tomorrow, 3 sessions. Do not miss anyone. Okay, I will discuss in detail. Right. Now let us solve 2 or 3 problems of finding inverse Laplace transforms using partial fractions. After that, I will discuss inverse Laplace transforms using convolution theorem. Very important session. And partial fractions so mere ఏ problems అయితే handle చేయలేరో, such problems still can be handled by convolution theorem. Okay, so I will do some analysis after 10 minutes. Let us solve few problems. L inverse of s square divided by s plus 1 into s plus 2 into s plus 3. ఈ ఫంక్షన్ కి ఇన్వర్స్ లాప్లాస్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేద్దాం. s square by s plus 1 into s plus 2 into s plus 3. See, in the denominator you can find linear terms. S plus 1 ki power 1 undi, s plus 2 1, s plus 3 1. When you multiply all the 3 terms in the denominator, the highest power of s becomes 3. In case of numerator, the highest power of s is 2. So here you compare the degrees. 2 is less than or equal to 3. So I can go to partial fraction expansion like this. So let s square be divided by s plus 1 into s plus 2 into s plus 3. This is nothing but a divided by s plus 1, linear factors. So you will get constant divided by s plus 1 plus some another constant b by s plus 2, some another constant c by s plus 3. Now when you cross multiply this, so you will get here in few terms will be cancelled. You will get like this: s square equal to a into denominator s plus 1 ఉంది. ఆ term skip చేసి remaining 2 terms రాయండి. So a into s plus 2 into s plus 3 plus b into, here s plus 2 is there, so skip this. You will get s plus 1 into s plus 3 plus c into, the denominator of c is s plus 3, skip it. You write rest of the terms, you will get s plus 1 into s plus 2. I think this point is clear. Okay, now our time is to find the values of a, b, c. We are supposed to find the constants a, b, c. So suppose if I write s value minus 1, this term will be nullified, this will be nullified, so that I will safely get the value of a. So s place lo minus 1 and minus 1 whole square equal to a into minus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 3. So therefore 1 equal to 2a. So a is nothing but 1 by 2. Next, let us write s value minus 2. This term will be nullified, so that you will get safely the value of b. Minus 2 whole square, that is 4. So b into minus 2 plus 1 into minus 2 plus 3. So 4 equal to minus b into 1. Yes, b is nothing but minus 4. Next, suppose if I write c value, say for example, if I write s value minus 3, so this term will be nullified, this will be nullified, I will get c value. Minus 3 whole square, 9 equal to c into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 3 plus 2. So in this case, 9 equal to, this is minus 2c into minus 1, 2c equal to 9. So c is nothing but 9 by 2. I think this is very clear. So the value of c becomes 9 by 2. C value 9 by 2 వస్తుంది. A value 1 by 2, B value minus 4. Let us verify once again. Cross check చేసుకోండి. Sometimes there is a chance to go for calculation mistakes. So a by s plus 1, b by s plus 2, c by s plus 3. When you go for LCM, expression s square becomes a into s plus 2 into s plus 3. Right. So when you replace s by minus 1, b and c get cancelled. So you will get 1 equal to, yes, 2a equal to 1 by 2. A value is 1 by 2. When you replace s by minus 2, a and c gets cancelled. So 4 equal to Yes, minus 4. I think C value 9 by 2. Right. This is very clear. Now, therefore, we got the constants A, B, C. Here in the denominator, we have 1 by S plus 1. So, definitely e power minus 3 is going to be part of the answer. Because for e power minus 3, the Laplace transform is 1 by S plus 1. Because of 1 by S plus 2, e power minus 2t will be part of the answer. Because of 1 by S plus 3, e power minus 3t is going to be part of the answer. So, the answer will be linear combination. Linear combination at constants of multiply shell. The answer is going to be linear combination of 3 time functions e power minus 3, e power minus 2t, e power minus 3t. So, let me write out this. So, L inverse of A value is 1 by 2 whole divided by S plus 1 plus B value minus 4 minus 4 by S plus 2 C value 9 by 2 whole divided by S plus 3. So we have a plus symbols, a minus symbols. You can go for linear property. So this is half into L inverse of 1 by S plus 1 minus 4 into L inverse of 1 divided by S plus 2 plus 9 by 2 into L inverse of 1 divided by S plus 3. So this is half into e power minus t minus 4 into e power minus 2t plus 9 by 2 into e power minus 3t. I think this point is clear. No issues at all. 1 by 2. So my constants are like this. A value 1 by 2, B value minus 4, C value 9 by 2. మీరు cross check చేసుకోవచ్చు ABC values correct గా వచ్చాయో అనేసి. Previously, when you go through this expression, if I compare coefficient of S square previously, here right side you have 1. This simplify చేస్తే మీకు highest power of S2 వస్తుంది. So, one of the coefficient of S square is here. In this case, one of the coefficient of S square is B. In the last expression, one of the coefficient of S square is B. So, therefore, the coefficient of S square is going to be A plus B plus C on right side, left side 1. So, these values are matched. You can easily verify. A plus B plus C is 1 by 2 minus 4 plus 9 by 2. You can easily cross check it, you will get 1. So, therefore, the answer is linear combination of e power minus t, e power minus 2t and e power minus 3t. I think the points are clear, right? We will solve one more problem. After this, immediately I will go to convolution theorem. Right. Suppose I want L inverse of S minus 2 divided by S square plus 4 into S square plus 9. S square plus 4 into S square plus 9. Very nice problem this is. Previous problems are the flexible Kali. This is not so flexible. In the denominator, you can see actually this is actually 1 by S square plus 4 terms are there. Even you have 1 by S square plus 9. Suppose if the numerator is a constant, my job becomes very simple. Numerator will be constant with the quantity. You can subtract one from another. Whatever the constant you are going to get in the numerator, that can be divided, that can be multiplied with the reciprocal. So you can easily answer. So 1 by S square plus 4 ఉంది. It is resembling A by S square plus A square. And A తో manipulate చేసుకోవచ్చు. So the answer will be combination of sin 2t or cos 2t, sin 3t or cos 3t. ఎలాగో మీకు denominator లో S terms కనిపిస్తున్నాయి. ఇక్కడ numerator లో S terms. The highest power of S is 1. In the denominator, the highest power of S is 4. So therefore here 1 is less than or equal to 4. But this is here s square plus 4. This is not reducible over set of real numbers. Do you know the meaning of this? It is not reducible. అంటే లీనియర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ గా రాయలేము. దీనికి లీనియర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ గా రాయాలంటే మీరు ఇలాగే రాస్తారు, s మైనస్ 2i ఇంటూ s ప్లస్ 2i. ఇవి రియల్ నంబర్స్ కాదు, దే ఆర్ కాంప్లెక్స్ నంబర్స్. సో ఇలా స్ప్లిట్ చేసి మీరు a డివైడెడ్ బై s మైనస్ 2i, b బై s ప్లస్ 2i, డోంట్ డూ లైక్ దట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ నెసెసరీ. సో డోంట్ డూ లైక్ దట్. So this is not reducible over R. This is not reducible over R. So therefore I can go through partial fraction expansion like this. S minus 2 divided by s square plus 4 into s square plus 9. This is going to be as plus b first degree equation divided by s square plus 4 plus cs plus d divided by s square plus 9. So this is its partial fraction expansion. So this is its partial fraction expansion. So therefore I can do like this. S minus 2 equal to as plus b into s square plus 9 plus cs plus d into s square plus 4. Okay, so you can get easily the values of a, b, c, d. I have evaluated, so I am writing. You cross check it later. So a value is becoming, I think, let me write directly the values of a, b, c, d. So here I will write with the b. C value, let's calculate once again, no issues. So s minus 2 equal to this. Suppose if you compare s cube coefficients, here in this case what you will get is a plus c, right side equal to 0. You can call it as equation number 1. Suppose if you compare s square coefficients, as right side, left side you have 0. Here it is, you will get b plus d equal to 0. This is one equation, 2. So that means a and c are negative signs. One is plus, another is minus. So b will be equal to minus d. In the similar way, I can go to s cube coefficients, a plus c right side, left side 0, s square coefficients, here it is b, d. Suppose when you go to s coefficient, left side you have 1, right side you will have 9a plus, here it is 4c, you can call it as equation 3. So suppose if you go for constant comparison, so left side you have minus 2. So here it is 9b plus 4d. So you can call it as equation number 4. Let me check out. S minus 2 equal to as plus b into s square plus 9 plus cs plus d into s square plus 4. When you go for comparison of s cube coefficient, you will get a plus c equal to 0. That's right. S square coefficients, what you will get? B plus d equal to 0. That's true. So a equal to minus c, b equal to minus d. A was c was d gani was b వచ్చేస్తుంది. That's simple. So when you go for s coefficient, left side it is 1. Here it is 9a plus 4c. When you go for constant, minus 2 equal to 9b plus 4d. I think this point is clear. Right, very good. Now let me write out this. So a plus c equal to 0. Equation 1. Equation 3, 9a plus 4c equal to 0. This is equation 3. Next to b plus d equal to 0. This is equation 2. Next 9b plus 4d equal to minus 2. It is equation 4. I think one constant has to be, it is 9a plus 4c. It is 1. Right. Now from equation 1, I can write like this. You can multiply with 9. 9a plus 9c equal to 0. Here it is 9a plus 4c equal to 1. Subtraction. So you will get 5c equal to minus 1. C will be minus 5. Once you get C, you will get A value. A value is minus C. So A is going to be 1 by 5. Now let us combine equation 2 and equation 4 to get B and D. So from equation 2, what we have, B plus D equal to 0. The 9th multiplication. So 9B plus 9D equal to 0. 9B plus 4D equal to minus 2. You can subtract. So it is 5D equal to 2. So D equal to 2 by 5. So B becomes minus D. Now it is minus 2 by 5. You always substitute, you will get result in terms of sine and cos function. That is very clear. Any doubt, my dear students? The points are very clear. No issues at all. Right? If value substitution, we find out చేయొచ్చు. Answer will be in terms of sine, cos and like that you will get. Because in the numerator you can find s square plus 4. Denominator you can find s square plus 4, s square plus 9. So when you have 1 divided by s square plus 9, generally sin 3t will come. Constants manipulate చేసుకోవచ్చు. But ఇక్కడ మీకు s ఉందనుకోండి, అప్పుడు cos 3t లో వస్తుంది. Suppose if you have s by s square plus 9, its inverse Laplace becomes cos 3t. Here 1 by s square plus 9 ఉందనుకోండి, you can go with like 1 by 3 into sin 3t. Like this. You can easily get the answer. Okay. So therefore we got the constants A, B, C, D. Now your turn is simple application of formulas. You can easily get it. The point is clear. Now we will discuss inverse Laplace transforms. Using convolution theorem. So first of all, let me recall what is convolution theorem. What is convolution theorem? We know about this Laplace of f of t star g of t. What this star denotes? Convolution product. This is convolution product. So in the last class we have seen, in one of the recent classes we have seen that Laplace transform of convolution product of two functions is nothing but L of f of t dot g of t. This dot is a normal product. Right? దీని basis కొని ఎలా find out చేయొచ్చు inverse Laplace transforms. This is the statement of convolution theorem. I can take this Laplace to right side so that it becomes inverse Laplace. So therefore I can have like this L inverse of L of f of t dot L of g of t is nothing but f of t star g of t. So by using this result, we can easily find inverse Laplace of product of two functions in the signal variable. Very simple. ఇది Laplace of small f of t కనిపిస్తుంది. You will get a function in terms of signal variable. So what it is f of s. This is L of small g of t. What is this? I can use capital letters, capital G of s. So capital F of s is Laplace transform of f of t. Capital G of s is Laplace transform of small g of t. So మీకు ఎప్పుడైనా inverse Laplace transform find out చేయమంటే you must express both the functions by using simple multiplication. ఇలా express చేయాలి. So that finally it becomes f of t star g of t. So this will be given. So you need to express two functions, one as functional Laplace of one function, another one as Laplace of another function. So finally it becomes convolution product. అది ఎలా చేయబోతున్నామో చూడండి. Suppose I want to find L inverse of 1 divided by s into s plus 1. This I can write it as L inverse of 1 by s dot 1 by s plus 1. A function మొత్తాన్ని product of two functions in the single variable గా రాయండి. 1 by s dot 1 by s plus 1. So this is L inverse of this 1 by s is Laplace of 1. This 1 by s plus 1 is Laplace of e power minus t. Now you can see this one is f of t. This e power minus t is g of t. So according to convolution theorem, this is going to be f of t star g of t. So therefore I am writing convolution product definition, integral 0 to small t, f of capital T into g of small t minus capital T dt. So therefore this is integral 0 to small t, f of capital T. Here f of t is a constant function 1. So f of capital T is 1. In the second function, small t should be replaced by small t minus capital T. So e power minus small t minus capital T dt. Inside this integral, small t is a constant. So I can write e power minus t outside integral into integral 0 to t e power capital T dt. I think this point is clear. No confusion in this. So therefore I can write it as e power minus t into integral e power t is e power t. Apply the limits. Inside this integral, capital T is variable, small t is constant. Now you can apply limits e power small t minus t into e power t minus e power 0 1. So this is 1 minus e power minus t. So this is inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s into s plus 1. Is this point clear? Students, Vasu, is it clear? Hare Krishna, is it clear? Sir, already 1 by s into s plus 1 ki ఈ సెట్ ఉన్న పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ వేస్తే 10 seconds లో వస్తుంది. ఇది మనకు 2 minutes పడుతుంది. Don't worry. The problem is very complicated. If you are unable to do this by using partial fractions, we have only one alternative, that is by convolution theorem. So, one announcement to all of you. Tomorrow we don't have class in YouTube. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we have special classes in Unacademy on the concept of differential equations. Tomorrow 3 sessions and day after tomorrow 3 sessions. Never miss those classes. Again, our foundation course will start on next Monday, 8:45 to 9:30 p.m. 45 minutes I will spend. We will discuss very complicated problems in inverse Laplace transforms by using convolution theorem. After that, from Tuesday onwards, I will go for a 4-year series. Okay, my dear students, within one day we are going to finish. On Monday we are going to finish entire Laplace. If time permits, we will solve some previous gate questions. The point is clear. Okay. Hi, Bhavani Professor. You joined very late. Okay. Right. Wait for a few minutes. Just 1 minute. This is official Creatrix channel where you can find more than 10,000 members. This is our Telegram channel in which you can find links of our live classes and notes in PDF format. We are sharing every day. As soon as the class gets completed, within few hours, within 1.5 or 2 hours, or in the worst case within 3 hours, we are sharing notes in PDF format. I hope everyone is happy with that. And these are India's #1 study channels running by Unacademy. Feel proud for this Unacademy GATE Telugu. Right. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for bearing me since last 30 minutes. I think we had a wonderful session. Okay. Good night all of you. Tomorrow morning see you at 9 o'clock sharp.